Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect and pair the Powerbeats Pro to a Garmin watch. Step by step troubleshooting setup guide. Step 1, put your Powerbeats Pro into pairing mode. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Leave the case lid open and press and hold the power button inside the case. Until the LED starts flashing white, your Powerbeats Pro are now in Bluetooth pairing mode. Step 2, open Bluetooth audio settings on your Garmin watch. On most Garmin Music Watch, you can press and hold up or menu. Buttons name vary by model. Now go to Music, select headphone or audio output and tap Add New. Now wait while the watch search for nearby Bluetooth headphone. Step 3, pair the earbud. So keep the earbuds within 2 meter, the 6.6 feet of the watch. Select Powerbeats Pro from the list and wait for the pairing confirmation. Once connected, audio from the music stored on the watch or supported music app will play through your earbuds. Goodbye, thanks for watching.